Ever tried to call Chime customer service and felt like you were hitting a dead end? You're not alone. Navigating automated menus and finding a real, live human to talk to can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you have an urgent issue with your money. But what if I told you there's a quick and reliable way to get through to a Chime representative? The good news is that Chime has a few different ways to get in touch, and they're available 24/7. So whether it's the middle of the night or a weekend, you can get the help you need. The absolute fastest way to talk to a human is by phone. The main customer service number is 1-844-244-6363. When you call, the automated system will ask you to enter your phone number or the last 4 digits of your social security number. After you've done that, it will ask for a reason for your call. You can try saying something like dispute a charge or fraudulent activity to get connected to an agent quickly. But even if you just follow the prompts, the system is designed to connect you with a live representative. If you don't feel like calling, or if you prefer to type, your best bet is the in-app chat. To access this, simply log into your Chime mobile app, and you'll find the chat icon on the top right corner of your screen. This is a great way to communicate with a real person without having to wait on hold. And finally, if you're a social media user, you can also reach out to Chime on X, formerly Twitter, at the handle @ChimeHelps. Their support team monitors this account 24/7 to answer member questions. Just remember, never share personal information like your full name, account number, or social security number in a public post. Direct message them for any account-specific questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.